Hey guys, I wanted to create this quick video as we've got that Health and Habits Revival Workshop coming up, and I want to break a few things down. In one of my emails, I made the comment about 4 mistakes that most of us tend to make when we try to get healthy. One of them is not having a baseline and getting really broad about getting healthy, because what does that even mean? During this workshop, we're actually going to create a baseline where you can understand and essentially scan your body from head to toe, scan your lifestyle from morning to evening, and take a step back to look at your ability. Because no matter the season that you are in, most of us are starting to find loss of ability. Most of us have stopped training certain areas of the body. And I will say about 99.9% of us have a couple habits there that might need a little tweaking. But if we don't recognize it, we're not going to focus in on the meat of the matter. And instead, we're going to pick and choose all these different fluffy ways to get healthy and not understand that you actually need to create a path that works for you. Because we can't keep coming back to the same ideologies that we had 5 years ago, 10, 20 years ago. And in this workshop, I'm going to introduce Qigong methods, neurological assessments, and a chance for you to create a practice around functional aging. This new year, let's toss out the resolutions and simply take the time during this winter season to see, reflect, and make a game plan. So take the second to sign up for the workshop because you deserve a chance to invest in your health. And just a friendly reminder, if you can't attend the live workshop, it's always going to be recorded so you can watch it later. I'll see you then.